my God. Look who's here. How you doing?
How are you?
Good. Good to see you.
So many things are changing, but my love and how I respect Bruce, that will never go anywhere. So I want to say hi to Bruce and get my last visual of him that I want without some major physical changes.
There's the ocean.
I know, how relaxing.
And we can see, like Kylie, who of course is late, we can see her coming up the hill, but there's just 5 homes on this road.
Do you like it out here? Sleeping?
I love it here. Oh, it's the best.
Yeah, it's so pretty. This is like
So secluded, so
so
quiet.
peaceful. Bruce and I have always had such an incredible, close relationship. I'm always going to worry about Bruce, and no matter what, I love him, and he'll always be my father figure.
I'll show you. I took some pictures of the sunrises the other day.
Oh, yeah?